Hello everyone, welcome to another DamoDoes video. Have you ever thought about Snoopy being a hero, saving the world and everything else? If not, then I'm actually not surprised. But I'm going to show you how to draw him anyways, so be sure to follow along and let's draw Captain Snoopy together. So you want to start by drawing a simple oval. I've done the ears on the left side already and the neck. Right now I'm just adding the hat. Now for the underlip and for the nose. Notice how I'm staying within my guidelines in the beginning. The eyes go slap bang in the middle with the eyebrows on the slightly left. And then just connect the mouth to the nose. Please keep in mind how gently I'm sketching. This is to prevent making any future mistakes, because if I do something incorrect, I can gently erase it using a rubber or an eraser and correct it. So make sure you're implementing that. As you can see right now, I'm erasing a wrong line. It's a whole lot easier for me to follow and know where I'm at. And only proceed if you're happy with what you have right now. So maybe if you're unsure, ask your parents or even a sibling. So I've done the rest of the body, adding some little legs, and I'll be giving him some nice shoes. Now I'll be designing his body, so I gave him a sleeve and a belt. For the shield, do 3 lines like I've done, and then just follow the inside of the shield. Do this with all 3 lines. Let's add the famous Captain America star. It's just a nice and simple star. And let's give him one more on his t-shirt. Let's not forget about the big letter A on his hat. Now my favourite part, going over with a marker pen. You guys can use a fine liner or anything else. This is my favourite part because it makes the drawing pop out, so now I know exactly what it looks like with no messy pencil markings. Okay, now for the fun part, the colouring in. So I'm going to be using 2 main colours, Scarlet Red and Royal Blue. As I've said in the text, everything I'm using is in the description, so if you want to follow along exactly in my future videos, you can always get these. Not to mention, these are the most popular items and they are good quality, as you can see. So starting off with the blue, I've done his shorts, t-shirt, center part of his shield, as well as his cap. Be careful, try to stay in the lines, just so it looks nice and tidy at the end. Now moving on to the red. Please note, I did forget to fill in his glove band, so please be sure you do that, and don't forget like me. Now his shield goes red, white, red. Remember, this is fast forwarded, so don't try to keep up. Pause the video, rewind, and even watch it again if it helps. Don't forget, you can try more than once. Congratulations! Now you have successfully drawn Snoopy as Captain America.